is my North Star, that is my echo, that is my reason. And I ask myself, how could I ever forget the chilly evenings, the itching feeling, the need to let go, the need to feel this, the need to fix things, to give life all that I have left. Have you seen